Hey guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to make explosive BBs. First thing you're gonna want to do, get some glue, a sharp object, like a hand drill or something, a BB like this, and a cap. For what you're gonna do first, we're gonna be making exploding BBs. So, first thing is you're gonna take your hand drill. Take your hand drill and your BB. You're gonna drill a hole in it, and then leave it first. And then second, you're gonna poke a hole in this. I'll show you guys how to extract the powder. Yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to extract the powder. I made this myself. I'm just gonna put this on. You're gonna take it. Wait, there's glue on it. Take it, and we're gonna show you how to extract the powder.
Angelique, where are you?
Up here.
What are you doing?
The paper came off, and then you're gonna and then there's a little bit of powder in there, so you're gonna leave that. There's some excess powder. It's dangerous with this. And then you just scrape it off. Put it back on. Shouldn't be any more excess powder. Wait, there's a little bit more. Be careful. Come darn on. There's going to be a little powder in there. And then you're just going to pour it into the hole in the BB. And then there's going to be like a little bit of powder in there. Oh shit, I dumped it. Careful with the powder though. If you're a kid, you might want to get an adult around here to like watch you do it. And if you live in the UK, it can't count caps as a firearm, which is so like weird. Then you're just gonna like cover it, so just in case it decides to blow, like come out, it won't. And then your final result will be this. Like, it'll look like with like, and then you're gonna have to push the powder in. It's gonna be a little annoying at first. After that, you'll take your hand drill, poke it in, right? Yeah. And then you get your glue. You squeeze a little out. Take a tiny bit, and then paste it on, and wait for it to dry. Let it dry. Just use your nail to like spread the glue. After that, you're done. And then it'll just look like white and stuff. And then that's how you mostly make this explosive BB. It's not gonna like It mostly makes a small sound. So yeah. So see you guys next time, and I might teach you guys how to make one of these next video. One of those powder things. And so bye guys.